Hello and welcome to today's hair tutorial, which is going to be an easy updo using a French braid. So you're going to take a section of hair from the top of your head and divide it into three. To do a French braid, you're going to cross the strands over each other. You're going to pick up a strand of hair. You're going to take it over and you're going to join it to the middle strand. And you're going to do the same on the other side. Pick up a section of hair, take it over the outside strand and bring it into the middle strand. Keep on repeating these steps and you're going to braid diagonally, reaching the other side of your head. When you've got no more hair left to add in, just going to do a normal 3-strand braid. Try to braid upwards, this will help the braid sit a bit better. Then you're going to take the 3-strand braid and place it on top of the French braid. Tuck in the end and pin it into place. Use as many bobby pins as you want to until it feels secure. As you can see, I made a bit of an error. Doesn't matter, just take a bobby pin and fix the mistake. And there you go, an easy braid that looks like it took you a long time and is very complicated. It's just one French braid. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you recreate this look, and please subscribe.